So today I'm about to show you how to download and install Windows 11 using a USB flash drive for free, step by step. This method is perfect if you're doing a clean install, setting up a new PC, or reinstalling Windows from scratch. You don't need to pay anything, you don't need special tools, and you don't need any technical experience. I'll walk you through exactly where to go, what to download, and how to turn your USB into a Windows 11 installer. Just follow along and you'll be up and running in no time. Alright, let's get into it. First, open up your browser, type in download Windows 11. From the first option you see, click on that link, you'll be routed to the official Microsoft page. Now, very important, do not download the installation assistant. That one is only for upgrading an existing Windows system. Instead, scroll down a little bit until you see Create Windows 11 Installation Media. This is the option for a clean install or for a new PC. Before continuing, make sure you have a USB flash drive with at least 8 GB of space and a stable internet connection. Now, click download now. Once it finishes downloading, open the tool and follow the on-screen steps. When prompted, select your USB flash drive. The tool will automatically download Windows 11 and turn your USB into a bootable installer. Once it's finished, restart your PC and boot from the USB drive. From there, just follow the Windows setup instructions to install Windows 11. And that's it. That's the full process for downloading and installing Windows 11 using USB flash drive. It's simple, official, and works for clean installs or new systems. If this helped you out, please make sure to like the video, subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials, and comment down below what other topic you want me to break down next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.